Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I will show you how to create a 3D image in Gemini. Alright, and of course we start with the chat, and now we will start to create the first image. So we need to create an image first before we turn it into a 3D image. So the generation prompt is as follows, right here. So, and instead of a subject, I will just go ahead and delete this, and I will say, for example, of a dog. There you go. And also I will, as you can see, provide the style, which pose, and which view, so the camera work, and press on send. And because Gemini 3 understands physics and perspective better than any other model, the generated 2D image is optimized for depth estimation. Alright, and now the next thing is, of course, after the image is generated, you just type in convert to 3D. There you go, and just send it. Right, and within seconds, the receiving image to 3D engine will present a fully textured, low poly 3D mesh. And also, guys, most engine this year allow you to download the model as the OBJ, GLB, or FBX standard file, complete with diffuse and normal maps, making it instant and game ready. Alright, and that's it, guys. That's your tutorial. Hit like button and subscribe if this helped.